Hello, and thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365's Microsoft Dynamics Training Demo Series. My name is Kelsey Chambers, and today we'll be covering how to collaborate with Microsoft Teams and Dynamics 365.
Microsoft Teams was launched 2 years ago and is slowly phasing out Skype, and it's not hard to see why. The Microsoft Teams capabilities has been steadily improving, and now, as of this spring 2019, you can connect your Dynamics 365 and Teams for ease of access. You can also view and share records with other team members on both the desktop and on the go with the mobile app. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. From your Sales Hub app on the navigation bar, select the gear and then Advanced Settings. Once this loads, on the Settings navigation from the drop-down menu, under System, select Administration, then System Settings. Once this loads on the General tab, you'll notice a few down that says Microsoft Teams Integration. Ensure that your radio button is selected on Yes, and then hit OK to save.
After opening up your Microsoft Teams app, ensure that you are on the Teams icon over on the left-hand navigation. From here, open or create a new team to add your Dynamics 365 tab app to. For this demonstration, we'll be creating a new team, which you can do from the very bottom. You'll see Join or Create Team. Go ahead and select that, which will bring you to this screen where you see Join or Create Team, and then you can create a new team from scratch or join a team with a code. We'll go ahead and create a new team from scratch. And again, in the dialog box, you see build a team from scratch, or you can also create one from an existing 365 group or an existing team. Again, we're going to build one from scratch, and you can choose whether to have it a private, public, or organization-wide. Most likely you're going to use the organization-wide, but the public feature is really nice for when you're trying to have meetings with people outside of your organization that also have the Microsoft Teams app installed, and then you can ensure to track your meeting data within the Teams application. We're going to go ahead and select this one as private, and we'll give it a team name. And we'll do collaboration with Dynamics 365. You can also add a description. We'll go ahead and hit select. You'll notice that it starts to create it, and once it's done, it does give you a dialog box that says nice job. And once that's done, it'll allow you to add members. So let's go ahead and add some members. You can also skip adding a member, but at this point in time, we'll go ahead and add ours, and we'll close. This will automatically bring you to the new team that you just created, and from here you can see that you can add people, create more channels, or open your frequently asked questions. So from Team, you can now add your Dynamics app by selecting the plus sign on your tabs. Once you select the plus sign, you'll have all of the different applications that Microsoft Teams allows you to collaborate with. We'll go ahead and search for our Dynamics, and notice that once we type it in the search bar, you can see that it's here, and once you select it, you can select Install. You can also select Add to a Team, whether you want to post to the channel about it, and once it is installed, you can go ahead and post about a specific entity, which is really helpful when you're trying to share a certain piece of the system from Dynamics 365 with, say, a colleague or maybe your boss. So for instance, we have our opportunity here, which I'll go ahead and save, and we'll post to our channel about this. And now this specific opportunity is going to display as a tab on the team meetings that we have together. And notice that you have all the same options that are within the normal window pane of Dynamics 365 in your teams. And you can also choose to save the information down here. And it is connected fully with Dynamics 365 as advised up at the top. You can make this full screen and expand the tab. You can also reload it so that you get the refresh data, and you can go ahead and pop it out and go to the website directly, which will take you to obviously your Sales Hub. Once you do have it popped out though, notice that it does not give you all of the same options that you would have as far as your navigation panes go. So do keep that in mind when you are working with the Microsoft Teams application. So notice this is now my Sales Hub. So we're just seeing this interior window here, just like you would on your regular opportunity, without any of the normal navigation from the navigation bar or your work area bar. And that's how you add the information to your teams. One of the other nice things that you can see is that you have an unlimited capability of adding as many tabs as you want, and Microsoft doesn't actually limit the amount of tabs that you have on here. So once you have a specific opportunity, maybe this next one, again, you can add a lead, you can add an opportunity, account, invoices. Really, it's unlimited to your imagination. You should be able to also type in the type of information that you want over here. Oops, sorry, put it in the wrong place. So let's say I was searching for my PPI, and then you can filter it by accounts, and again, all of the data information that you would normally see and entities that you would be able to add just as if you were in the Dynamics 365. Thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365 for our Microsoft Dynamics 365 training demo series. Come see us on LinkedIn for our Cloud Corner every Wednesday. And check out our other training demo videos. Leave us a comment and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we post a new video, remember to hit that notification bell. As always, if you have any questions, please reach us at info, that's INFO, at ppi365.com. We hope you join us again soon.